This is Anas. He's an engineer. This is Mikkel. He's a doctor. So what happens when two professions join forces in developing new products? Well, that's exactly what Anas and Mikkel found out at the new biomedical design program at Aarhus University.
The real great thing about participating in the biomedical program was that I learned how to take one step back and look at the real needs in the healthcare area.
I chose to participate in the biomedical design program because I thought it was a very exciting education where I could use my qualification both as a mechanical engineer but also as a biomedical engineer and combine those two education with a commercial mindset.
We discovered that there was a real need in looking into the area of the hand hygiene. Today, hand hygiene is inefficient and also a big issue when people are trying to do it correctly.
So one day we went to the hospital, took a place beside the ethanol dispenser and looked and watched how they did it.
We discovered at the hospital that the healthcare staff were not doing hand hygiene correctly.
Currently you have to do it like 30 seconds and not many nurses did that, or doctors for that instance.
This means that there is a high risk of infections for our patients in the hospital area.
If we could do this faster, then it would be better. So right now we believe we have found a way to make it better. As an engineer, you're not usually taught to have a commercial mindset because usually an engineer just develops something. It's really technical and can do everything, but it's A, very expensive, or B, nobody are not really needing it. So by doing the commercial mindset, we are ensured that we make something that people need and not just for the fun of it.
By taking part of the biomedical program, I have learned that I can integrate my doctor skills with engineers' beliefs and also the multidisciplinary areas. Normally I never work together with engineers or physiotherapists, and it gives a high potential for uniqueness of the products.